guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So guys, you are seeing that I'm already carrying my new Alma BB because for today's episode, I'm going to reshare to you, I'm going to regale my story on how you could order your very own custom or made-to-order Louis Vuitton bag. So you could order not just an Alma BB, you could order from wide varieties such as a Speedy 25, Speedy 30, Louis Vuitton pochette accessoire. We have the NÉONOÉ. You could even order and customize your SLGs, luggages, even the key pulse. So definitely I would be sharing everything, all the story on how you could order your very own bag from ordering from our Louis Vuitton store, the wait time to the unboxing. If you want to know all the secrets, all the things you need to know in ordering your very own made-to-order Louis Vuitton bag, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so I went to Louis Vuitton November 19, 2022 at the Louis Vuitton flagship store in Greenbelt 3. So this is the date that I would be pre-ordering my made-to-order Louis Vuitton Alma BB together with my CA. So while waiting for my CA, let's check out some bags and SLGs inside the store. So let's start with this. Ano yung napili ko?
Yung sinend nyo sa akin, sir, is yung this one. Ano pa yung...
That's the back. That's the back. Ito I like... ito yung una, yung pink. The pink one.
So, ito.
Cute ba yun yan? Sige.
Ito po yun. And
That
then
one.
next, dito.
Yes.
Okay.
And then next is... So right now is upfront full payment, no?
Opo.
Pero sige, I'm good na.
Done.
Ako,
So,
may napusuan ako sa selling eh. Asa na tayo?
so ito lang po. Ay, sorry.
Yeah. That's next.
Please in
Not yet. There's next. So guys, I'm ordering my Louis Vuitton Alma PM World Tour. It's a customized product. I'm so excited. This is what I have been waiting for. So I knew I have to wait for that perfect Alma. So the Alma that I got is monogram. So ang monogram, then black leather, then it has stickers. Yan, tingnan mo. Super cute.
Ito po yung the front.
This is the front.
Yeah, the front.
This is
Let me
the
check
front.
for the other.
Yes, ayan, nakita mo yan. Yung lining niya would be red and then the leather is black.
Black, yeah.
Sa yung mga stick, painting ba? Ayan. So I have a Leo Vivienne. Is it cute ba? So here is the finished product. This, I like, it's cute ba yun? Is it wise?
Yeah, it's very cute.
Wise ba yun? Ilagay yung...
Okay na. It's very cute here po.
Ikaw ba?
Let
Ilalagay
me check rin yung sa likod.
Ayan, the back. So this is the back. So after ordering, it shows that the estimated delivery date is January 3, 2023. Here is the finished product of the custom Louis Vuitton Alma BB. What do you think of my new baby, guys? So the changes that I did, so initially I have removed all the vachetta and replaced it with the black leather trim. And then of course the interior, regularly Alma BBs would come with the brown interior, but this one I've also changed it to the red interior. Then of course I have chosen specifically all the stickers that my Alma BB would come with. I love the Tokyo sticker because in my dream I'll be traveling this beautiful city really soon. Hi guys, so we are here at Louis Vuitton in Greenbelt. OMG guys, I am so excited. I'm sure you know that I have already placed an order. It's a custom order of Louis Vuitton Alma PM World Tour guys. OMG. Like honestly, I'm dancing here all over the Louis Vuitton floor because I'm just so happy and excited that I have my very own Alma PM and it's custom-made. So I already paid for it, so it's a pre-order. They're going to message me once the bag is ready and I could pick it up here at the store. So let's check out more beauties. I got a text message from my CA dated December 28, 2022. Just after 5 weeks, my Alma BB is now ready for pickup. So I have visited Louis Vuitton January 22nd, 2023 to pick up my new baby. Hi guys, so we are already here at Greenbelt and our first episode is we are going to check out very beautiful bags from Louis Vuitton. Enjoy! When I visited back, it was the drop one of the Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama collaboration. So they have some ready to wear and very beautiful bags and SLGs. So pretty.
Meron siyang Leo na Vivienne. Those are postcards. Si Gaston kasi po, sir, is mahilig sa travel. So, yan po yung mga postcard na kuha niya last time.
Yeah.
Meron siyang Leo na Vivienne. Those are postcards. Si Gaston kasi po, sir, is mahilig sa travel. So, yan po yung mga postcard na kuha niya last time. So, basta made to order, sir, they will really make it handmade. Tapos, it was already sa ngayon, sir, I think you should enjoy the bag first before you stop. Kasama to sa coating. So, parang yung glazing niya, parang after nila mag-paint, ginagawa. So, yeah. Tapos, this is cuff leather na rin. So, black. So, hindi na siya patina. So, same color pa rin siya.
Am I your first order?
Actually, yes. Tapos, nila gagamitin for 1 month or 2 months. Just do a half cloth. And then you can store it in a cool, dry place. Ganito po dapat yung pag-alaga ng bag. Kasi pag kino-cover po natin siya or nilalagay sa loob ng box, naiinitan siya. For example, the Philippines, super init. So, dapat always siya naka-half cloth para mag-breathe yung leather.
Hi guys, so we are here at LV and I'm so excited. I've seen my new baby, guys. Did you get a glimpse? I'm going to do an unboxing on our channel very soon, but hopefully you enjoyed our shopping episode here at Louis Vuitton. Yay!
Thank you so much, sir. Anytime, sir, just message me.
So let us now start with the Louis Vuitton unboxing. So again, before we do the main dish over here, again, my very kind CA gave me this Chinese New Year gift. So he wrapped it very, very nicely. So it has the thingies like this, and then he gave me couple of Louis Vuitton perfume samples. Thank you. I really appreciate this one. So I would want to check what's inside. So maybe it's like the Tiffany's, but let me check. Let me just open one. So it says here LV. Very beautiful sticker. So let me try to remove this very, very carefully again. Oops. Ooh, so it's almost the same thing as what Tiffany gave to us. So it says here Louis Vuitton, as you can see, and then again here. So if anyone could comment down below what it means. So I'm guessing this is Happy Chinese New Year. Thank you so much to my CA, Kyo, and to Louis Vuitton. I really appreciate these very wonderful gifts. Yay! So now let us start with the main dish for today's episode. So as you can see here, the box or paper bag is very huge. And what I love about this one, like what I mentioned earlier, I went there during the Chinese New Year weekend. That is why for their gift packaging, so it came with this very cute charm over here. So this is actually a bunny because this year is the year of water rabbit or water bunny. Correct me if I'm wrong. As you can see here, it's made of this very beautiful hard cardboard over here. And then on the back, it says Louis Vuitton. Actually, this is very nice. This is the first time that I'm receiving something like this from LV. You could actually use this as a bag charm. So let us pull out the box here. Let me just put it here. And then also the box, it says, it also has the Chinese New Year tags over here. So that is super cute because I wasn't able to get anything during the holidays. So let me just remove this. I'm not really sure. So maybe this is like the black white envelope. One moment, guys. I know it's taking me some time to open this. Okay, so here is what it looks like. So we have here the bunny rabbit, and then I believe this is like a note where you could write something if you are giving this as a gift. Yay! So excited. So let us put them here. So guys, do you have any guesses? This is not a true unboxing, plus I'm sure most of you know already what this is, but this is my very first custom made Louis Vuitton bag. I'm so happy I did not get this. I ordered this November 19, 2022. Then it took around 6 to 8 weeks for me to receive this one. So today is, I'm filming this January 26, 2023, but I will be posting this a little bit late. So I was okay in not receiving this because I know this is a custom order that I have to wait 6 to 8 weeks, but that was not really a problem for me and actually came really, really fast. I wasn't expecting that it would arrive really early. My CA just texted me, showed me the video, and I was like so excited. So I'm sure everyone knows what's inside. So let me just open. Here she is. One moment, guys. 3, 2, 1. Here she is. Oh my god. It is my very first custom Louis Vuitton, my LV World Tour Alma BB. Yay! So here she is, guys. Wow. Guys, you can pre-order your My LV World Tour via louisvuitton.com from Alma BB, Speedy, Pochette Métis, NÉONOÉ, Keepall, SLGs, Rolling Luggages, and many, many more. I would be linking everything on the description box below. Happy shopping, guys! There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully I was able to share information and all the things you need to know in ordering and placing your very own custom or made-to-order Louis Vuitton bag. So So guys, are you thinking of ordering one? I would love to hear from you. So among those pieces that I've shown you for today, which one would you like to add to your wish list? Kindly comment down below. So before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!